Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at JasmyCoin. What's our bear market strategy for JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is down really bad in the bear market with other altcoins. JasmyCoin is down more than 97.5% in the last 1 year. Altcoins are down really bad. We have been seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market in the weekly time frame and on the monthly time frame. JasmyCoin is up 13.1% in the last 1 week. Should we be accumulating more JasmyCoin in this bear market? Where are key levels we should pay attention to for JasmyCoin in this bear market? We're also looking at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at JasmyCoin's market cap. The market cap has dropped to as low as $25 million. We saw Jasmy's market cap get to as high as over $1.4 billion. That was in November 2021. Since then, we have seen the market cap drop more than 98.69% in the bear market. What's our bear market strategy for JasmyCoin? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrency, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year. We have all coins that are down 91%, 74%, 86%, 69%. In the case of Lunar Classic, it's down more than 100% in the last 1 year. The bear market has been brutal to all coins, JasmyCoin included. JasmyCoin is down 17.4% in the last 1 month, and it's also down 97.6% in the last 1 year. We have been seeing the altcoin market pump in the last 1 week and the last 1 month. What's our bear market strategy for JasmyCoin? Should we start accumulating more right now, or should we be waiting for lower prices so that we can get a better deal in the bear market? Guys, we saw JasmyCoin trade for as high as $4.3 in February 2021. Pretty high right now for where JasmyCoin is, because JasmyCoin has dumped more than 99.91% from that $4.8 level. Damn. A lot of people will not expect JasmyCoin to set new all-time highs, because for JasmyCoin to set new all-time highs, JasmyCoin will have to go up more than 80,000%. That's 802x return on your investment. Do you think that's possible? I'll be showing my bear market strategy, important levels that we're paying attention to for JasmyCoin in this bear market. The first level is the level we broke through, the $0.0091 level, and that was the worst case scenario. I was expecting JasmyCoin to hold that line in this bear market, but we broke through that level, and right now we're in the accumulation range for JasmyCoin. We have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 52% from the $0.0090 level. Guys, is this a good time to accumulate JasmyCoin in the bear market? A lot of indicators are telling us yes, this is a good time. If you take a look at JasmyCoin RSI, it got to the oversold region on the 19th of October 2022, and JasmyCoin's price actually got to a new all-time low that day. So I'll be looking at what JasmyCoin will do, whether we're going to break this low in the bear market, but I won't be shocked to see JasmyCoin bounce off the $0.09 level to as low as $0.042. This might be our accumulation range in the bear market. Guys, if you believe in this project and you believe JasmyCoin is going to set new all-time highs in the future, the bear market is where you want to accumulate this coin. The bear market is where millionaires are minted. The bear market is where you can get a coin that will go 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x. You might be lucky to get a coin like JasmyCoin that has the potential to go up 100x, 200x, maybe even as high as 1000x by the next bull run. Only time will tell. But for you to enjoy that pump when the bull run comes around, you have to be among those accumulating deep in the bear market. Might be this $0.047 level. This might be the range for us in this bear market. We might not see JasmyCoin trade above this level, maybe till the next bull run. If we are lucky enough, we might see JasmyCoin rally, maybe even to as high as $0.3. But guys, I don't think we'll see JasmyCoin rally that high till the next bull run, because for JasmyCoin to reach that $0.3 level, JasmyCoin will have to go up more than 5,000%. That's the 50x return from where we're trading right now. It means if you invest $1,000 in JasmyCoin, you should have over $53,000 if we get to that $0.3 level. For my money, I'll be betting that JasmyCoin maybe can go 800% in this bear market. Even though we're in the bear market, sometimes we used to see some bear market rallies that can take an altcoin like JasmyCoin more than 800%. Maybe we'll dump, consolidate before we go for the final push towards $1, $2, maybe even as high as $4 by the end of the next bull run. But right now in the bear market, we want to be accumulating these altcoins, and there's a very, very strong chance we might be stuck in this range, the $0.009 level and the $0.0042 level for a while. But that just means we should be accumulating so that when JasmyCoin start pumping to the moon, we'll be shouting kumbaya. Let's take a look at some details about JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin just has a market cap of $25 million and a fully diluted market cap of $266 million. The last video I made, some people are making some comments about JasmyCoin circulating supply. Yes, we have a maximum of 50 billion tokens, and just 4.75 billion of those JasmyCoins are in circulation. That's 10%. Hopefully, the founders will not dump on all of us, but JasmyCoin is currently ranked 518 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 98,000 people that have JasmyCoin on their watch list. In the last 1 year, we have seen JasmyCoin go from as high as $0.33 to as low as $0.0041. Where can you get some JasmyCoin, and why do you want to hold some JasmyCoin in the bear market? JasmyCoin is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and the ability to transmit data. The Internet of Things company Jasmy specializes in buying and selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects to categories, service providers, and data users. Where can you get some JasmyCoin right now in the bear market? You can get some JasmyCoin on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on Wobi Global, on Binance.us, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Gate.io, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can find JasmyCoin on a lot of crypto exchanges. We have a lot of exchanges out there. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, it has been a ride of a lifetime. So JasmyCoin pumped really well against Bitcoin in 2021, outperforming Bitcoin by more than 1,600%. But the bear market has been brutal to JasmyCoin, and we have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 94% of its value against Bitcoin in the process. Guys, if you want to be profitable long term, you have to do the opposite of what the crowd is doing. Right now in the bear market, people are selling their altcoins. They're down already 80%, 90% because they believe it's going to go lower. That's what people always believe at the bottom of the market, but that's when you should be doing the opposite of what the crowd is doing. If you want to enjoy the profits when the green candles come around, when the candles start pumping to the moon, altcoins are giving 100, 200%, you have to be willing to take that step and invest in the bear market. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, we saw JasmyCoin pump really well against Ethereum from the 17th of August 2021. We saw JasmyCoin outperform Ethereum by more than 1,900% in just 78 days. Finally finding its top by November 2021, JasmyCoin has been dumping to Goblin Town since then, setting a new all-time low, being down more than 95% against Ethereum in the process. For JasmyCoin to go back to the high where we were in November 2021 against Ethereum, we have to see JasmyCoin outperform Ethereum more than 2,100%. Guys, in the bear market, altcoins are risky. A lot of people are running away from altcoins. But if you're a smart and witty investor, you have to make your research, do your research in these projects. If you believe JasmyCoin will go back to new all-time highs, this looks like a very, very good opportunity to scoop some for yourself. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, guys, we saw the market cap get to as high as $1.5 billion in the top of the bull run. Since then, JasmyCoin's market cap has dumped really low to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $19 million in this bear market. Down 98.77% in the bear market. For JasmyCoin to set new all-time highs on its market cap chart, it will mean from the bottom right here for JasmyCoin will have to go up more than 7,400%. A 74x return on your investment for the market cap to go back to $1.5 billion. Do you think that's possible, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year. JasmyCoin is down 97.6%. Do you believe this altcoin can go back to new all-time highs? Which range are you accumulating JasmyCoin? Are you waiting for new all-time lows? Or will you be getting some JasmyCoin around the $0.009 level to as low as $0.0042? Do you think we'll set new all-time highs or we'll set new all-time lows right now? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.